You already know what it is. Silent talk, silent talk, silent talk. Go and do it for me.
Well, look what the stork brung. Little baby devil with the forked tongue. And it's sticking out, yeah, like a sore thumb. With a forehead that it grew horns from. Still a white jerk. Pulling up in a Chrysler to the cipher with the fork spokes and a Bud Light jerk. Lyrical technician and electrician. Y'all light work. And I don't gotta play pretend. It's you, I make believe. And you know I'm here to stay, cause me. If I was to ever take a lead, it would be aspirin to break your feet. If I was to ask for making the Stallion of C would collab with me, would I really have a shot at a feat? I don't know, but I'm glad to be back like Abra, and for my last trick, I'm about to reach in my back, like Abra, and for my last trick, just like that in the back, break it down. Sometimes I wonder what the police say. If what? If he could see the way she is today, he'd probably say that everything is gay. What's my name? What's my name? If I think that shit, I'ma say that shit. Cancel me, what? Okay, that's it. Go ahead, Paul. Wait, snake ass brick, you male cross-dresser, fake ass bitch. And I'll probably get shit for that watch, but you can also my dick and fat. Them, Dre, Jimmy, me, you. What? My own kids, the brat.